Fairy's kingdom.
In the heart of the ethereal forest, where the moonlight danced on silver leaves, a mysterious blue bird with shimmering sapphire feathers and golden eyes soared across the sky. This was no ordinary bird, it was Azura, the guardian of lost dreams. One evening, while returning from an adventure, Gio, Priscilla, and Leena spotted a faint blue glow near the crystal creek. Curious, they fluttered down and found Azura sitting on a rock, her wings drooping.
Azura, what's wrong? You look so tired.
My magic is fading. I collect dreams that get lost in the wind and return them to those who need hope. But someone has stolen the dream pearl from my nest atop the Moonlit Oak. Without it, lost dreams will never find their way back.
The fairies exchanged worried glances. If the dream pearl remained missing, countless children and creatures would never see their dreams again.
We'll get it back!
Guided by Azura, the fairies flew toward the towering Moonlit Oak, its leaves glowing like tiny stars. But when they arrived, they found the nest in disarray and a trail of silver feathers leading into the mist cavern.
Someone must have stolen the pearl and gone into the cave.
Well, what are we waiting for? Let's follow the trail.
Inside the mist cavern, the air was thick with fog. Shadows flickered, and whispers echoed. Then, out of the mist, appeared a mischievous wind sprite named Zephyr. Looking for this?
That doesn't belong to you, Zephyr.
I only borrowed it. I wanted to see what happens when dreams get lost forever. The fairies knew they had to act fast. Leena conjured a soft golden light, revealing that Zephyr's own shadow held the pearl tightly. It was bound to him.
Zephyr, don't you have dreams of your own?
Well, maybe.
Then if you return the pearl, it will help you too.
Zephyr pondered for a moment. Then, with a sigh, he let go, and the dream pearl floated gently back into Azura's wings. With her magic restored, Azura soared into the night, spreading tiny, glowing dream lights across the land. Soon, people and creatures alike began to smile in their sleep, their dreams returning.
Thank you, dear fairies. The dreams are safe once more.
As a gift, Azura gave each fairy a single blue feather, which glowed softly with dream magic. And from that night onward, the fairies knew whenever they saw a blue bird in the sky, someone's lost dream was finding its way home.